Hello everybody, and welcome to the May version of Glossybox. Glossybox retails for £8.50 plus £3.25 postage in packaging, and you usually get about 5 items within the box, all different kinds of values. And I have been a purchaser of Glossybox for over 2 years, and I absolutely love it. So I thought I would share it with you guys. So here we go. Here's what's in the box. You get 5 items, as you can see, and when I first saw this box I was like, whoa, what is that? Because you can see the really big kind of mug-like thing, and I've never seen anything like that before in a box, so I was super excited about it, and I'll tell you about that in a little bit. So the first product we're going to look at is the Petroleum lip treatment gel thing. There, you can see it there on the box. And this is by Beauty Kitchen, and it retails for £2.99. Now it is your basic kind of run of the mill petroleum lip kind of jelly, but it's a handy kind of item to have to keep in your handbag if you've got dry lips. So while it's not particularly exciting, it's very useful. So thank you, Glossybox. That's going to go straight in my handbag. And the next item that we will be looking at is the Barrry Love Me Tender Nail Polish, and I really like the fact that it is a similar colour to the Glossybox itself, so yay. This retails for £14.50, very expensive for nail varnish if you ask me, so I'm expecting great things. And then the next item is this mug. I was like, what is this? It's very bizarre looking. It took me a few minutes to work out what it is, and it is a rubber firming mask. And I think what happens is it goes on your face and it creates this firm kind of mask on your face. And it says in the description that it's innovative cream to sheet formula penetrates deeper into the skin than a traditional sheet mask, and it retails for £8. So I'm pretty excited about buying that. We'll see. We'll see how that works. I will let you know. It will certainly be interesting. And then next we have the MUDMASKY. It's a vitamin serum, and this retails for £43. Now, I've had one of these, not this particular product, but I've had a product from MUDMASKY before, and it was amazing. I loved it, but it was so expensive to buy, I didn't purchase it again. So I'm hoping that this is just as good as the one I've tried before. So I'm really excited about that. And then last, we have the Barrry contour cream kit, which retails for £7.99. I don't often use kind of cream on my face for contouring, just because I've got oily skin, but this will be fun to kind of try out and see what I can do and see if this kind of product suits me. And that's always something that's really good about kind of Glossybox, is that you get a variety of things to try. You might try things that you never tried before. So I absolutely love it. Really pleased with this box. Was very excited. If you like this video, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you very soon. I'll catch you next month for next month's Glossybox. Have an amazing day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you again.